Guys, mount your camera on the tripod. You can use either land or portrait mode. After that, you're working. Can now sit down. All right. So what you need to do here is just to sit quietly for some few seconds or few minutes. All right. Then after which now, the next thing you are going to be doing is just to rub your head. Okay. Then after rubbing your head, you can now walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, click on CapCut, new project now, photos, import your background to workspace, click on your background and drag it. You come back, you locate overlay, click on overlay here, add overlay, click on video now, import your video to workspace. Now locate volume and click it and reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. Locate where you want the video to start from, guys. From this point, you are going to be clicking here to make a split. To delete this part, you click the video and drag it to the beginning. All right, you go and locate where you want the video to end. Go and locate where you want the video to end. Before you stand up, you're going to be clicking here to make a split, guys. Then you delete this last part as we don't need it again. You come back and click it and locate remove BG. Okay, click on remove BG here. Auto removal can allow it to remove completely. As you can see, that is applying. But at this point, guys, tell us your opinion about the video you just watched earlier and tell us what magic effect you would like us to create next. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay guys, you are welcome back to this tutorial. As you can see, it's still removing. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good, you go back, then you click on this video and expound it. Look at what I am doing. After expounding it, you place it how you want it to be. All right, then after this part, we are going to move the video a little bit. Move it, then you make a split this place now. Then you move before you rub your head. Before you rub your head, make another split somewhere here. All right, make another split here. Then you come back to the other splitted point. Click here now. Go and look for mask, guys. Locate mask. Okay, you click on this mask now. Click on horizontal. You mark out your head, push that line up to cut your head. You click on this good here, you go back, then you make a screenshot here. Screenshot this part now, then you click it and cropple it. All right, cropple it, guys, cropple it. Cropple this your head part, just cropple it. Okay, cropple it. After croppling it, we are going to be marking on done. Okay, then you click on that done there, click on done, save to photos. All right, then you go and click the layer again, click your video and locate that mask again. Click on this mask, click on invert. Look at invert there to reveal the character. Mark on this good and go back. Mark on that arrow there, click on this arrow, you click on add overlay, you click on photos, import this your head you worked on. Then you go and look for remove BG, guys. Look for remove BG. Click on remove BG. Click on auto removal. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good. You go back. Then you use your hand and cropple this your head to go and place it at the position where you cut it out. So do it gradually so that it will look good. Place it there. You click it now and drag it to cover. Locate that this other splitted point, stop it there. Then you are going to be coming back here. We want to add keyframe here. All right, you are adding keyframe now. Click it and add keyframe. Then you adjust the video a little bit, drag this your head, leave it there. Okay, we are going to be going front. All right, to this point we are going to click here again to add that keyframe again for the second time. You still adjust it to the end, then you bring the head back and place it at the position again. Let's play this part to see what we have got before we continue. There are other things to still add in this video. Make sure you watch the video to the end so that you will not miss out on anything. Some people might just walk out at this point. They will not see the other things to be added. So this is good. We have gotten this part. Come back to this point immediately. The head, shift it immediately. The head finish moving. Click on add overlay now. Click on video, guys. Import this brain here. So turn the brain this side. Turn it to face you. Then you go and look for freeze. As you click it, locate freeze. All right, you freeze it out from this place. Click on freeze. Click on this one. Then you click on delete. Click on this one and delete it as well. Click this one now. Then you go and look for remove BG. Okay, locate remove BG. Click on remove BG. Chroma key. You drag it to green point and mark this good and go back. Click it again to locate adjust. Click on adjust HSL. Click on it. You mark this green and reduce saturation to 100%. Mark this good. Then you go back. At this point, you are going to be clicking it to drag it to a point. Drag it before the head start coming back. Leave it there. Then after that, we are going to be coming back now. We are going to click it and crumple it. Crumple it. After crumpling it, you position it where you want it to be. Make sure it's down. Then you go and look for layer. Click on layer. Look at layer there. Click on layer. Then you click on this arrow to hide the head. You mark on this good and go back. We are going to be adding keyframe to it now. Then you adjust it. Adjust the video to a point. Then you are going to drag that brain out. You drag the brain out. Good. Drag it out. Then you position it how it's going to be. Do your necessary adjustment. After your adjustment, this is how it's going to play. This is good. Then you allow it to still move. From this point, you can still add keyframe here again. Click it here and add another keyframe. Then you go to the end of the green screen and drag the brain back. Drag it back. This is the entering point of it. You drag it back and do your necessary adjustment. After that, we are going to be playing it from the beginning. Let us see what we have got. So play this part. Let us see. This is good. The brain has popped out. Now the brain is going to be going back. Then the head will come and cover. Good. The background is too long. We are going to be clicking on the background and make a split and delete the last part. Then we trim it to be equal to each other. After 3 minutes, we are going to be playing the video from the beginning. But as far as I'm concerned, the video is ready. So you remember to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. After that, you export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those sound effects and every other effect. I want you to put me through. At the description of this video, my number is there. Then you DM me. I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. All right. Then after that, now you are going to be clicking on this export here. Then you allow your video to export completely. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. But tell us what you feel. Tell us your opinion about this video and tell us what magic tricks you would like us to create next. All right, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Okay, tap that your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in our next video.